Video 919, BFJ 209, source code is here, let's get fucking going. So down here in the system index, we have added a new system called Rule Fata between Rule Bomb and Rule Femi. It's going to be rules for Fata tiles. In the illegal stuff section, we have a whole bunch of monkey wrench macros in this new section right here. So just misspellings of our frames of visible and frames of damage for the sparks, the flames, and the lasers. So these are all misspellings of identifiers in the engine. That's all they are. We need to move the fuck on. Okay, down here in const macros by system, we have the rule Fata constants, and we have the frames of visible and the frames of damage for sparks, frames of visible and frames of damage for lasers, frames of visible and frames of damage for flames. This is what we're kind of currently using right now for everything. 2 frames of visible, 2 frames of damage. Eventually we want to diverge and split this into 3 different partitions depending on what special effect we're using. Okay, then in Rule Femi right here, we made a mistake. We didn't want to touch this. I added extra documentation about what Rule Femi is. Then in Data by System in Rule Fata, we have the special effect converted to the frames of visible. Frames of visible for spark, laser, and flames in an array that is a const array containing 4 elements. The first element is a nothing type effect. Okay, special effect to frames of damage. The first entry is a nothing type explosion. Then we have the spark, the laser, and the flame. Frames of damage. Frames of damage looks good. It's a const array that is full of uint 8s. There's 4 of them here. There's 4 of them here. That looks good to me. Okay, next section. Right down here, beneath Rule Bomb. Beneath the Rule Bomb system, we have the Rule Fata function section. Nothing should ever go in here, but for the uniformity of the project, we need to have this section. Rule Fata is a data-only system, therefore in the function section should remain empty. Down here we have footnotes from what we did in the previous video or what we thought we were going to do in the next video, and then down here is what we did in this video. So if you want a longer explanation, then you're going to have to go here because we have no time here. Source code is here, and then there's ways to get a hold of me. There's the license as well. The license is do whatever the fuck you want, and my name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry Bomberman MMO. If you love Bomberman, you're going to fucking love this. Like, subscribe, follow. My name's Kanji Coder.